Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to view your tuition statement. So this is just an explanation of all of the charges that are encompassed within your tuition. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and log into the Wilkes University student portal. So here we've already logged in using our username, password, and our security questions that we've set up. This is a test account, but it still looks the same. We have our tabs at the top, and we're going to use that navigation bar to click on the student tab. We'll navigate to student services in the drop-down menu. This takes us to a page where we'll be able to find all of our information on our account. So we have a lot of different options, but we are going to click View Invoice, which is our e-statement or tuition statement. And here it just takes us to our page where we can again do a whole host of items, but we are going to focus here, and it's right in the middle, and it says statements, and you can view your latest statement or view all statements. So I'll show you both options. If we click here, we can check the statements. This is our most recent one, so we can go ahead and view that. So it will take us to a printable version where it shows our schedule and then also, again, some different fees, the tuition, and what our amount due is in the bottom line here. We can also view some activity, view activity since last statement, or again, make a payment, which is on the home screen, or it is in the top navigation bar as well. So that is how you simply and easily view your statement and understand the charges that are coming to your account. As always, if you have any questions, please contact the Bursar's office, 570-408-4960, or email billing@wilkes.edu, and they will be able to help you answer any of your questions.